Hey, if you are unable to pair or connect your JBL Clip 5 to your Android smartphone, let me show you how you can fix this. So first of all, just be sure that you turn off your speaker by using this power button. Just click on it once and then unpair this speaker. If it was previously connected, just simply get rid of it. Then turn on this speaker by using this power button. And now click on the Bluetooth button once to enter for the pairing mode. Now click on the pair new device list and select your JBL Clip 5. But if it doesn't work, you have to click and hold play button and the volume up button together and wait until the speaker turns off. There we go. Now release both buttons and click on the power button one more time. Wait until it will be turned on. There we go. And right now you are able to go back, turn off the Bluetooth on your phone, turn it on back, and right now click to pair new device again and try to find your JBL Clip 5 on the list, tap on it once, and now click pair. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.